Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to fund or and recharge your Alipay account. This is really easy. The first step we need to do is open our Alipay app, and once we open this app, we're gonna click this button right here called Me. Okay, you need to click this to open all these options. In all these options, to find this one called Balance. Right here, you're going to click. Once you click right here, you can see your balance. Maybe this will be in zero. Okay, to recharge or fund your account, you need to click Tap Up. Okay, clicking this option, you will be able to fund your Alipay account. It's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. Well, comment and subscribe.